Hello everyone, welcome to EditForge. In today's video, I'll show you how to create this premium wedding, family, and end credits template in Premiere Pro step by step. And yes, you'll also get the project file for free. You can download the project file from the link provided in the video description. To access the project file, you'll need a password, and that password will appear in 3 different parts of this video. So make sure to watch until the end. Now, let's get started. First, open the Wedding Title folder. Inside, you'll find a Fonts folder. Open it and install all the provided font files. Once that's done, open the Premiere Pro project file named Main Project. Now, open the first nested sequence and select the symbol according to your religion. After making your selection, return to the main sequence and we'll continue with the customization. Now you can preview the entire project to see how it looks. First, open the Pics folder and import all of your photos into this folder. This folder is used to store all the images that will be used throughout the project. Next, open the Edit Text folder. Inside, you'll find separate sequences for every text element. Open each sequence and replace the default text with your own. Once you're done editing the text, return to the main sequence. Now, open the Edit Photos folder. Inside, you'll find separate nested sequences for each photo section. Open each sequence and replace the placeholder images with the photos you imported earlier from the Pics folder. You can open any nested sequence and customize it however you like. If you want to change any text, simply open the corresponding text sequence and edit it according to your needs. Just repeat the same process for all the remaining sequences. I'm only showing you the workflow once because the editing steps are exactly the same throughout the entire project. As you can see, I've already organized the project with multiple nested sequences to make customization quick and easy. If you don't need a particular section, you can simply delete it and customize the project however you like. That's all for this video. If you face any problems while using this project, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to EditForge for more free project files and professional editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.